Hi there, this is Mark with Accent Gold Solutions. What we're going to be doing in this brief webinar, this brief video, is discussing the total cost of ownership for Cloud CRM software. There are a number of Cloud CRMs out there that are very popular. The top Cloud CRMs currently are Salesforce.com, Microsoft CRM, Sugar CRM, and then there are others such as Salesforce and Sage Act, and there's even gold mines going to the cloud. And we have on our website a list of 101. Just go to our website, Accent Gold, and search for 101 of the top CRM solutions, and we have a pretty complete list there as well. But what we're going to do now is describe some of the details in Cloud CRM total cost of ownership. So what are the factors in the Cloud CRM TCO analysis? Well, overall here what we're seeing is a trend towards the cloud because people are recognizing that there is value in the SaaS model. SaaS means S-A-A-S, software as a service. There's value for SaaS products and for software as a subscription based product. What happens with Cloud CRM is that you now have predictable costs. When you pay, for example, Sugar CRM $30 a month, you know I'm paying $360 per year, and that's it. That's all I have to pay. I'm paying $1 a day to use this software. It's in the cloud, it's being backed up for me, etc., etc. If I'm getting Salesforce.com, I know I'm paying $125 per user per month, and that's it. I don't have to pay anything more than that. I know exactly where my money's going, and because of that I have a reduced risk. I don't have to worry about my hardware. I don't have to worry if I'm on an Apple or on a PC. I don't have to worry about being on XP or Windows 7 or Windows 8. It just doesn't matter. It just works. And so reduced risk and predictable costs is what a CFO is looking for, and I think that's really one of the main factors why Cloud CRM has taken off in the last few years. On top of that, I've got to say also that Facebook has made it legitimate and has made it has clarified the fact that Cloud CRM is scalable. So for example, Facebook is written in a PHP platform, so is Sugar CRM, and so people were wondering, well, can Sugar be scalable? The answer is yes, PHP is very, very scalable. The second factor here is reduced IT staffing. That means you don't have to have as many IT people on staff. You don't have to pay their costs. You might reduce them to a part-time role, or you might decide to outsource. Or if you are outsourcing, you can decide, okay, we don't really need as much hardware. We don't need as much network support. We don't need to buy a server to host this puppy. We're just going to let Sugar CRM or Microsoft CRM or Salesforce handle that for us. Traditionally, Cloud CRM is also hosted for free. Now, if you are hosting it through, for example, Sugar CRM, then you are going to be paid. You can choose: do I want to have it hosted on my own server, or do I want to have the hosting covered by Sugar, or do I want it hosted in a cloud and I'll pay for the cloud hosting myself, or I'll pay for the server if I'm going to be hosting it myself. But traditionally, you can host it through Sugar for free, or through Microsoft, or through Salesforce. It's built into the price. So is the support. That's built into the price as well. If I have a technical problem, place a case, it gets fixed typically within 2 hours, is our experience. You can get fast implementations. You don't have to take months to get up and running. You can get going very, very quickly, especially if you're a small implementation. No hardware integration worries. Because you're not installing on hardware. You're really possibly installing only a plugin, possibly for something like Outlook. And then these are also excellent for remote sales teams. If you are managing a sales team and you're hiring sales reps in different states, I don't care if you're running a PC or a Mac or an iPad, it'll run on any of these devices. That becomes very, very helpful and very, very useful. Who are we? We are Accent Gold Solutions. We are CRM experts. We support a number of different products such as Microsoft, Sugar, Sales Logic, Sage Act, SAP, all these different things, and have our goal is to basically help you figure out what's the best CRM for you, and then to get the best implementation plan regardless of what that is. We'd love to be able to help you out and serve you. You can also get information about us, our website information here.